Welcome to Codedeveloper. Today we see the topic is tree or binary tree. In this session we are going to study about define tree and its basic terms, explain binary tree and its types, discuss AVL tree, explain thresholded, that is threaded binary tree, then representation and operations on binary tree, then discuss about binary tree traversal. So tree, it is a non-linear data structure and its elements are arranged in sorted order. For example, sample tree, any algebraic expressions can be represented with a tree. It's a formula z equal to j minus k divided by L into M plus N. The basic terms, so root node, node, child, link, parent, leaf, level, then height, degree, sibling, then terminal node, path length, forest, labeled tree. So binary tree, it is a finite set of data elements. A tree is a binary tree if each node of it has a maximum of 2 branches. It has either 0 or 1 or 2 child. For example, so it is a tree representation complete binary tree. Each node has 2 children except the last node. Therefore, at any level, the maximum number of node is equal to multiplies of 2. For example, at level 0, only one node root, that is 2 power 0. At level 1, 2 nodes, so 2 power 1, so that is called as 2. Then at level 2, 4 nodes, that is 2 power 2, then next to 2 power 3, 2 power 4, so on. So extended binary tree, how to extend the binary tree? Whenever node of a tree has either 0 or 2 children, such a tree is called as extended binary tree. The nodes with the children are called internal nodes and the node without children are called external node. Then representation of binary tree. So what are the representation we are going to study about binary tree? Array representation, linked list representation. The next one, operations on binary tree. What are the operations? The first one, tree traversal, then insertion of node, deletion of nodes, searching for a given node. The next one, tree traversal. Here we are using 3 kind of process. The first one, in order, pre-order and post-order. So B tree, that is a balanced multi-way tree. It is also known as balanced sorted tree. It is used in external storage. Conditions, what are the conditions, terms and conditions we are applied here? The height of the tree is minimum, no empty subtrees after the leaves of the tree. The leaves of the tree should be at the same level. All nodes except the leaves have at least few children. AVL tree, height balanced tree. So that is a height balanced tree. So how to balancing in this kind of tree structure? This form of tree is studied and defined by Russian mathematician, that is GM. The name is GM Adelson, Velsky and EM Landis. Find balancing factor for the tree by applying the following conditions. What are the conditions? The first one, if it is leaf node, the balancing factor BF is 0, the initial value. If the node is left child of left subtree, depends upon its depth, that is BF is calculated and it is positive. If the node is right child of child right subtree, depends upon its depth, BF is calculated and it is negative. So it is a height balanced tree, terms and conditions. Thank you.